Ready to elevate your podcast from good to great by linking it to your own personalized domain for maximum impact. Today, we're diving into how to connect your Buzzsprout account to your custom domain, transforming your podcast into a polished listen. First, you'll need the key ingredients: a Buzzsprout account and a domain name that you own if you have them both. Then let's move on to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Buzzsprout account and navigate to your podcast settings. Then select domain. If you don't see domain, make sure you're on a Buzzsprout plan that supports custom domains. There you should see a setup screen. Next, type your custom domain name into the designated field. Then, you'll follow the on-screen instructions, which will typically involve adjusting your domain name's DNS settings usually. This part requires you to log into your domain registrar, the place where you originally purchased your domain name. The instructions will ask you to create a CNAME record at the DNS settings of your domain registrar, pointing your domain to Buzzsprout. Don't worry if this sounds tetchy. Buzzsprout provides all the necessary information. Copy the specific address that Buzzsprout provides and paste it into the correct CNAME record field at your domain registrar. Note, you might need to create multiple rules, so be sure you follow each exactly. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. After you make the DNS changes, return to Buzzsprout and let it know you've made the changes. It will verify the connection. Once verified, Buzzsprout will notify you, and your podcast will then be accessible through your unique domain name. With this, you are now ready to go. Now, your custom domain is all set up. Sharing a branded link makes it easier for listeners to find you, boosts brand recognition, and creates a more professional and memorable podcasting presence. So, take the time to follow these steps and transform your podcast into a more professional presence for your listeners today.